guys, today we are going to learn how to make these paper fruits. See, let's get started. Starter supplies, markers. We can use colored markers, we can use crayons and plenty of colorful papers. Next fruit is apple. So you can see three layers. One is red, one is white, and one is a little bit light green. So you can also use, instead of white, you can use light yellow color, and one brown paper for making the stem. So these are our sheets. First of all, we are going to draw apple shape. Okay, on the red sheet we are going to draw our apple on the red sheet first. I'm going to make the outline of our apple. Okay, now I'm going to cut it. We are going to cut on the outline. This is the first layer. The second layer I'm going to use yellow. So I'm going to trace this apple on it. I will draw one more shape inside this apple, but it will be a little bit smaller than our first red layer. See, this part we are going to cut with the scissor. Look at this. So I'm going to cut the smaller shape, okay, leaving these edges. So I'm going to place it here. Now we are going to make this central part with light green. We are going to draw a small heart like this. Okay, shape of heart. And we are going to cut. See this heart. And we are going to place it here. It's time to fix all these layers with the glue. Place it in the center. Green part is over here. Now we are going to draw the seed with the black marker. For the stem we are going to use brown paper. Let's draw the stem. This we are going to cut it. I'm going to fix it with the glue. Put a little bit glue and fix it from the back side. See? Now it's time to give shading. Okay, for the shading I'm going to use red color crayon. We are going to smudge it with the fingers or thumb. Giving some shade or outline. Smudge it with your finger. I'm using this yellow crayon to give a little bit shading over here to give a natural look. See some here. I'm going to use some green. You can use some black crayon to give the stem effect. See? Okay friends, I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.